So guys, let's quickly do a quick analysis on our gold, our silver, our crude oil, and our natural gas for this week. So before you go, I want you to subscribe. Just click on that subscribe button. I want you to like, share, and comment. So now we can see on our silver, we have now on our silver, we can see that this week we had a drop on my daily time frame. Then we actually now had a push up, giving us something called a double top. I'm going to analyze it for you so better so you'll be able to understand it. Now let's go on our weekly time frame. We will start there analyzing. We can see on our weekly time frame, can see on our weekly time frame, we're actually having a drop, right? Guess what? We now had a pullback for the past 2 weeks, about 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and this week that just passed, this is it. So we actually had a pullback. Guess what? What are we are going to be having next? We're actually going to be seeing a fall. So the week that just passed, we actually see a red move. We actually had a bearish move, by the way. So guess what? This week we are still going to be seeing a fall on our silver. Our fall is not yet over. We are still going to be starting a fall, by the way. So we can see we open here and we actually close below. So that is exactly what we are seeing on our weekly time frame. This week we should actually be selling our silver. We are actually shorting our silver, by the way. So on our daily time frame, we'll be analyzing. We are actually going to be seeing a fall. The way we see our weekly time frame, we're actually going to be seeing a fall. But one thing is that we actually got a push up, right? We actually got a fall. The peak that just passed, but we actually came up to push up. But our price has failed to break below it, above it, and we are now actually having a fall. So if you can analyze it very well, you would see that we are having something called a double top. This double top pattern, our price has failed to break above it. We actually have a double top. So definitely, what do we have? What do you see? If you have to have a double top, what are we going to do? Shorting it. And where are we going to take our first take profit? Here as our take profit, this below here, take profit one. So for this week, we should be aiming to take our profit around 21. We're actually at 21.942. 21.942. So this week we should be able to actually aim to take profit at 21.446. Then we can now see probably our price will break below it and continue to go down, or it will come back and give us a triple top again, a triple top before we actually now get that fall below this our area here we are aiming for. So above all, let's see our price plays out. It's how it shows that we will be taking our trade. But when our price opens, I want you to take your shorting position, sell it, and hit this our area we just marked. That should be giving us at least about 48 pips. That should be about 2% below. Then we can actually now wait for our price to break below it, continue shorting our position, our price below it. On our daily time frame, we are actually going to be selling our price we are actually planning to sell our gold on our daily time frame. This week, coming week, we're actually planning to sell. Now our 4-hour time frame, you can still see it double top, another top here. So still see a fall. Definitely we'll be seeing take profits 1 year. And when our price, we can now actually now set our take profit to around there. When our price hits here, we are opt out with our take profit one, and when it breaks below, it comes down, we will come here and take our take profit 2 on our silver. Now on our gold, we can see on our weekly time frame, we can see, let me analyze it very well for you. We can see that our price has actually fallen, right? Then we actually now got this retracement area. What do you think we are actually going for this week? We're actually aiming for a fall. The week that just passed, you can see we actually have a large week, up this like a pin bar, pattern we had. We can see it on our daily time frame. We can see this pin bar pattern. But above all, we're actually aiming for a fall on our gold, by the way. So I want you to aim to actually take your sell position on our gold weekly time frame. Now on our daily time frame, we actually got a pattern similar like a double top. You can see one top here, you can see another top here. So our price is now falling. So this week we're actually planning to take our fall on shorts on our gold. So our gold against our USD will actually be falling this week. That is what I wanted to know. And lastly, our 4-hour time frame, we can see clear, very, very clear. We can see our price has been reacting very well on this line. It is failing to break above it. We can see support, say resistance, say even because our price does not want to push up, even here when it's had a false breakout, guess what, immediately it fell. So that is an indication that our gold is not going up anytime soon. In short, we are actually falling. I will advise take profits one. I will advise take your your two take profits 1 year and your take profit 2 years. So above all, this is an indication that our gold is actually falling this week. Now our crude oil, we can see on our daily time frame. Let me go on weekly time frame. We can see the price has hit this our liquidity area here. Definitely we are going bullish. This week that just passed, we had a bullish move. You see, like I just predicted on my previous video, crude oil will be actually be going bullish. Now we can see our crude oil is now going bullish. We are actually going this bullish this week. We are actually going bullish to take out our liquidity. So we are aiming to hit our liquidity area here. This week we are aiming to go bullish on our crude oil. So our daily time frame, we can see it still go bullish. Our price has broken above this week, so we are still going bullish, to take our buy position on our, take our buy on our crude oil. And lastly, my 4-hour time frame, see an indication of bullish move. So I'm still seeing a bullish move. By the way, I don't think it will be falling anytime. I'm seeing a bullish move on my crude oil right now. And lastly, I'll my natural gas, I'm still going. I personally will be going bullish. By the way, we can see it. Probably we see a push up. I'm going to see it as a retracement area here, so I'm ready to go bullish on our crude oil. By the way, possibly if it give us a double top around here, which is actually not bad, we can see our natural gas has actually been going up. We can see a push up, a fall. We can actually see a push up. Now we are actually seeing a fall retracement. Now we are actually going to go bullish daily on our natural gas. 4-hour time frame still indicating we are actually, we've hit this. We can call this area as a support area. Next thing is to actually push up, take profits 1 and actually take profits 2 here, which will be giving us like a double top. When our price pushes up, we out here take profit 1, out here take profit 2, then we will actually be getting a double top before we can actually now start aiming for a 4 on our natural gas for this week. So that is my analysis for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.